Do you struggle with taking effective notes? Ever find yourself flipping through pages of scribbles, unable to decipher your own handwriting or find the information you need? Well, it's a common challenge, and we're here to help you conquer it. Note-taking is more than just scrawling down what you hear. It's an art that requires strategy and practice. Today, we'll break down this process into easy, manageable steps. Step 1, preparation. Before you even begin to take notes, ensure you're prepared. This means having the right tools, a reliable pen, and a well-organized notebook or digital tool depending on your preference. Understand the topic at hand, familiarize yourself with the basic concepts, and approach note-taking with a clear, focused mind. Step 2, active listening. Active listening is the key to effective note-taking. It's not about writing down every single word, but rather understanding and summarizing the main points. Try to identify the key elements of the discussion or lecture and jot them down. Step 3, develop a note-taking method. There are numerous note-taking methods out there. The Cornell method, mind mapping, and the outline method, to name a few. Experiment with different techniques to find out what works best for you. Step 4, use abbreviations and symbols. To speed up the note-taking process, develop your own system of abbreviations and symbols. This could be as simple as using and amp for and, or developing more complex symbols that represent common concepts or terms in your field of study. Step 5, review and revise. After the lecture or meeting, take some time to review your notes. Fill in any gaps, clarify unclear points, and make sure everything makes sense. This will not only help you remember the information better, but also ensure that your notes are useful in the future. So, to summarize, effective note-taking begins with preparation and active listening. Developing a note-taking method that works for you, using abbreviations and symbols, and reviewing your notes regularly can greatly enhance your note-taking skills. Remember, the goal of note-taking isn't to record every single detail, but to extract and record the most important points. Note-taking is a skill that can be honed and improved. It's not about perfection, but about progress. So, give these strategies a try and watch as your note-taking skills transform. And remember, the key to effective learning isn't just in the notes you take, but in the knowledge you actively absorb and comprehend.